Hi and welcome back to our Hoot Cruises channel. If you love great cruise deals, simply hit the subscribe button below and we'll make sure you're the first to see any fantastic new offers. This week sees the release of many new cruise programs for 2022 and 23, and not surprisingly, the Christmas cruise departures are the top sellers. If you've never taken a cruise at Christmas time, then boy are you missing out on a treat for all the family. Let the cruise line take care of all the cooking, cleaning and entertainment while you have a totally relaxing break. The kids or the grandkids of any age will find tons to do to keep them entertained on board, and you get to spend some quality time together without anyone fighting over who does the dishes. Let's take a look at some of the amazing Christmas cruise options close to home. Coral Princess leaves Auckland on the 15th of December for a 14-night New Zealand voyage, taking in gems like Milford Sound and the spectacular beauty of Fiordland. This is a round-trip voyage from Auckland, so no international flights required. There's also a New Year's cruise departing 29 December. Book and deposit by 20th of March and secure a Hoot Cruises extra bonus of $185 free spending money per room to use on board. Norwegian Spirit will leave Sydney on the 23rd of December for a 12-night New Zealand voyage from Sydney to Auckland, including both Christmas and New Year celebrations. This voyage hits all the super popular New Zealand coastal spots plus some Aussie gems as well. Book and deposit by the end of March and score 5 free onboard perks, including free drinks, free Wi-Fi, speciality dining package, shore excursion credits and reduced rates for 3rd and 4th guests sharing your room. Fancy a laid-back South Pacific Christmas? Royal Princess sails round-trip from Sydney on the 16th of December 2022. This 13-night island-hopping voyage includes some of our favourite island paradises. Book and deposit by the 20th of March and secure a Hoot Cruises extra bonus of $185 Australian dollars free spending money per room to use on board. Thanks for watching our Hoot Cruises channel. This was just a small selection of our amazing Christmas cruise deals. We also have Christmas departures for 2021. Visit our Hoot Cruises Christmas cruise deals page for more options, and remember to subscribe below for more great cruise deals.